Hapdeng jong ki jaga puli kan nong ba shalong kalai umkhra ka yeng ka skul St Anthony's Lower Primary School ka jaga puli ka bapau nam bat ka badon ki khana pateng ka babon ba Henry ka jingkalak la don halinti banyo ka jingjano jong ka ni ka skul bat anyo bujli da ka waipat ka bathamai namar ka jing sngo khia ka jingsngan ka ni ka skul dieng ka bratemen kan jano bat kan mi pat da ka jingte Iingmaw ka bapaka Kisambla puli kan skul nadu ki barim baja hadu ki baminta kinchu sa satang ha ka jingkan mau ya kan ki yeng skul kabla ai ka jing shakri la palat shis pasnem na ka binta ki babun kan ka jingtei ka barim kan chu sa satang ha ki jingkan mau ki bakordor Henry upadar saji u director jong ka Don Bosco Technical School but u rector jong ka St Anthony's Lower Primary School ula banjur ba ka jing shngan ka wan ningkong banya ka jing sngo
We are forced to think about a new building because the building is totally unsafe for the children. We are close to 600 children in that building. And I'm sure, suppose something happens, then people will blame us asking, why did you not take that step? Why did you not prevent this? Your new building was old. Now, can we shift to another place? That is also very, very difficult. We don't have that kind of space where we can easily shift to the things. That is not there. And so we have to look at a new structure. Definitely people are emotionally attached, those who studied, those who passed out. It is not only those who passed out. For the solutions, also it is emotional. But at the same time, we have to go for this because there is no other option that we see about this. I would say, yes, we need to be attached to institution. Not so much to the building that we studied. To say, I studied here and I am an Anthonian is something that you be proud of. More than saying that, okay, I studied in this building remains, so that is enough. Because buildings cannot remain forever. And as the time passes, time changes, things will keep on changing. And this building that we are going to have now, it is not just going to last for another 100 years. Things will change after that again. Depending on new technology, how things are going to develop in the next 50 years, we have no idea. So things will have to keep on changing.
Kikana ka ni ka skul kan sngo sarong banong ni day u Antonian ni u kana skul ka St Anthony's Henry kum u kana skul u de bandon ni ka jing sngo jan bala pensyong nong rem ha ka jaka puli om ha ka jing tay ka skul dieng ka baminta ka labu Hapdeng ka jingma ki kana skul namar ba kelas tang sunjor padai halor ka ni ka bapin pau u dau phadar saji ba ka jing shngan ka de ka daw ba halor ka ni ka jing shimrai Katkum ka jing patip uphara saji ka jing tay ka ying skul bathamai ka sedang no hau benai no pra palabu por ban pendep ka hapo ka arsnem habaya thuru ba ka jing shim class ki khanna kan long no haki ar kala ka ba ka jing tay ka dang ya chakman
We had a meeting with the parents and we thought of 2 shifts which students could come, but it's going to put a lot of parents into a lot of inconvenience. Some of them will have to all the time coming and picking up because they also have children either in St. Mary's or Loreto or some of these. So it is going to be really difficult for a lot of parents. And so for this time being, till the building is over, we are trying to make adjustments in the same building, using the hall and all the possible spaces, temporary partitions and all that we have to put up for the classes to continue so that parents are not put into inconvenience. We are hoping to complete in 2 years' time because a lot of digging has to be done because we need to have basement and parking. Because parking is the biggest problem, and so that parents have a possibility of entering inside, dropping the children and going. So that will also remove certain amount of congestion from the road, from the main road. So that's what we envisage because you have to go around 13 feet down. That is going to take time because this is a rocky area and that is going to create a little more. Otherwise, we would have done it faster.
Nagalyang ki kimi ki pa ki khana skul kilapin pa ba ki pidyang ye ke e ka rai ka bala shim de ki bor pinyai ka skul namar klabo e ka jing shngan ju ki khana hakman e kilapin pa ru ba ki dan ka jingbynnud e ka te ka yeng skul ka barim bat ba pau nam hendre namar ka jing khap ngia bat ka jing bom shngan shu ni ki kimi ki pa ngi hun ki e ka bala rai da skul
tengi ru kwa hi ka ta ka safety mo long ya namta ki ko na jong kumbong no hangi school hi bennu di mo badi ka building ka barim kumbong no ni la ka ta pus nem te tingin le gumno kan no namanta ki kun pan ya perkat perkawai ru ka kum ka parking hang ni ru kala kham ngia kala shong sir yang ni ru kena ki ba mare ki mi ko rawai school ru teng ngim mlap babat ki kun ki la cross hi ru ka kali ka wan wot ni ru tieng te kam dan jing safe te yang ni ru te pada par kumbong no ila plan pada kumta padi ong bansna ka building in ai parking lot siapa long kindiat kala kham ni rap ke yang ni ki parents ru mo nama hang ni bila i ke jing blok ndala wai school hile an ni nai ong ki scooty ne pin pe i taxi ne pin pe ya por ba wai school kena nang ni tang bakin cross ru ni la sa kut be Hapdeng ngim lan ni hap am mo shaban mi kasim jing hang ta ken tang ka hang ni ka parking ken ka wai bakal bun palar ka bike ka scooty ken so ka ka wai kami kala long be haju te
mentangis ni don hayeng ayong ka ja ke ik ni long pa ken ni perkenal ki kun ingin mare se ai dan ni kemen ta ken banyu ada ka building pertama ken nam ta ka jing bahaya baro ni hap ni ban mo bagi dang ko apa school ki kun siom ni te ni hap ni su tenat ken wa yon pelong school nyo sport ni hap menjut men dai ko ai ga ni jung ki siom mo kalian jangan te nak kalian jangan ni kulit pat ni so kemen ni ka kamar for the safety ya nak school de maka ya pek nak kita komnong surat tu lalaki pentra apa pada ba modify pada komnong ba menyapit lah ni pas nak school maka tak benut ni yang pertama kamar kecil pamam te kata tu bagi amma kala ni sispa plus 6 nak kalian tu ni pati benut dia kata kepada future pada panuan pada seperti kena student pati kapiang kapha pada
Jadi kita mau pas sekolah pun ni te ka hai dan kan logan skam siap belum baik. Wangi pas sekolah ni pun bakal long lengkap kan ni pun baprat nah. Mana sedar tempat ni gimana ni? Tahu kam siap pun gitu. Ini aku pun man benar ai ka jing bha masla bha te bha ka jing bha te ni benar lah bagi le ka bha te le ka hai mengir pun tiba kalai lam ko de place ni muta ja te ni kami dah 60 kilo di kamsok kan dan shau de bor kalai free ni kan ni bor kalak perang lah tu tang
I feel that it's a very good step which the school management has taken since it's a very old building. This is my second generation which is studying here. So me, my brother and all, they have studied here. My second generation studying here. We know it's quite an old building. And since they are taking a step towards renovating the thing. See, for renovation, you need to destroy a little bit of things. Right? The old things we'll have to push it aside. So that's a good step in a way, I feel. Yeah, the safety point of view, while the construction is going on, will always have to be taken in mind. A little bit of hassle will be there for parents because when the school reopens, if the construction is not done completely, then the timings and pick up and drop, that hassle would be there. But then eventually it will come up for it will lead to a very good thing, I believe. So that is all I believe I'll have to say. So I frequently came and went in the school. I had a lot of friends here. So I mean, there is attachment to this building also. Whenever I used to come here to pick my brother up, to drop them here, there is that attachment. But we'll have to let it go now. We'll have to let it go for better things to come.
Bagala aslam ni building nadu por bang school ngarai la ding school ka jingbynnud ni kata te bang mlane ni ra marwi la ong di ban pra bagala aslam yo nam ta safety jing kulung na ra ha isha